Let's create a button in the middle of the text without actually using a button widget. Something like this. I have a line of text and one word within that text or within that paragraph is a link that's styled as a button. When I click on it, it leads me to the website that I've specified as a link. So let's see how to do that. Open your page and use the text editor widget. Type in the text here. So I will say click here to open a new window. I want the word here to appear as a button and when I click on it to lead me to the website that I specify. So first I will switch to the text tab and add a link. So A, which means a link, and I will assign a class to this link and then I will style this class in this CSS. So class will be, I will call it my button, and href, I will now add the URL. So in my case, it's my website, and I also want this link to open in a new window. So to do this, I will add target will be blank, and rel will be no opener. I will close my link tag and click on update. If you preview your page, now you can see that when I click on the link, it leads me to my website. So we have created a link. Now all we need to do is to style it to look as a button. Go back to your CSS. I'm using custom CSS and JavaScript plugin. You can find the link in the description. And let's style our class here. So the name of my class is my button, so I will type .my button. And now I want the button to be, let's say, red. So color, background color actually, will be red, and the color of the text will be white. So color white. I want to give it border radius, so to have rounded corners, border radius of, let's say, 4 pixels, and some padding of 5 pixels on top and bottom, and 20 or let's say 15 pixels on the left and the right side. Click on update and refresh the page. And this is how it looks now. If I click on this here link, it will open the page in the new window as we have specified previously. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give a like, share, comment or subscribe.